So I kept forgetting to buy spinach for spinach dip, so when I was out in the garden getting some flowers, I noticed I had some lamb's quarter that I had left when I weeded, and that's free spinach basically, so I decided to make the spinach dip with that, and it tastes just like it, and you can find it anywhere. Any garden I've ever been to had it growing as a weed, so in the description I'll leave you some more information how you can identify it. So as always, foraging, you better be absolute sure what you have, otherwise that could be troublesome. So anyway, I'll just show you a quick little thing of the spinach dip, and hope you try it at home. Foraging is fun. I'm not a risk taker or have time to learn it, so I stick to the easy ones, I guess. Anyway, see you later. I forgot to strain the water out of it, but it tastes really good.